let me introduce you to Edwin, my Christmas elf. I say Christmas elf, I don't think he's going to go anywhere after Christmas. He's so cute. Now, this is the secondary project for Half Yard Sewing Club members for November 2024. As it's a secondary project, there's no video, but you do get full instructions with photographs and downloadable patterns for him as well. Now, I've made him primarily from jersey, which is a lovely fabric to work with, and it stretches, so you can really give shape to his face when you stuff it, and it's nice and soft to touch as well. Now, he's got beans in his bottom, so he sits really well. His arms and legs are made from jersey as well, and his little dungarees, his little shorts, are a polar fleece, and he's got felt boots with pom-poms on the end as well. I've put a little bell on the end of his hat, but you could use a pom-pom for that as well if you wanted to. Actually, you can have a look at all of the projects on the Half Yard Club if you're not a member already. If you go to the website, and I'll leave the details in the description box below, without even joining, you can take a look at the projects, not the instructions, of course, and there'll be a video on there of me explaining what the club is all about. And it's not just toy making. There's bag making and curtains and a block of the month and more homewares and cushion covers and dressmaking, and the projects are growing and growing and growing, and they never get taken down. So the longer you remember, the more projects you have. There's also an Ask a Member forum. So you can interact with other like-minded people, have a chat with them, show the pictures of the things that you've made and ask any questions that you have as well. And the site is full of hints and tips, and coming shortly there's going to be some quick projects as well. And going into next year, we're looking at dressmaking projects with downloadable patterns. So there's just such a wide variety of different projects. In fact, there's probably getting on for 100 on the first day that you join. Now, if you'd like to trial for a free month, then you can do, and again, details below. Use the code WELCOME in capital letters when you go to checkout, and you can take advantage of as much as you can for a whole month without even having to make your mind up at that point whether you're going to be a member or not. I hope you are. I hope you come and join us. We're a nice bunch, we're very friendly, and we try and give you lots of variety of different sewing projects. Some are very beginner friendly, some may be a little bit more advanced, but you know, you won't always be a beginner, so it's nice to have something to aspire to as well. So have a look at the details below and come and join me and Edwin on the Half Yard Sewing Club.